ET Now exclusive, where your channel reported how India's largest private lender by assets is looking to end the adjudication proceedings against the bank and its MD and CEO over the alleged failure to meet the listing agreement. I'm talking, of course, about ICICI Bank. The case in question is the whistleblower allegations of a quid pro quo involving Chanda Kochar's husband Deepak Kochar and, of course, ICICI Bank's 3,000 crore rupee loan to the now bankrupt Videocon Group. ET Now got a whole host of experts to discuss some big issues related to the consent plea. Listen in.
Well, it's going to be very difficult for SEBI, because if it is merely a technical violation, then maybe SEBI could think in terms of a consent plea. But having said that, we are not very sure that it was only a technical objection, the failure to disclose that conflict of interest, or did that failure lead to some consequent actions, which in this case meant that maybe ICICI Bank did give loans to Videocon, we don't know. So, because it is not merely a technical violation, there may have been more to it. It will be very difficult for SEBI to take a call. As Mr. Gupta said, there are investigations both by CBI as well as the ED. So, at this juncture, it will be very difficult for SEBI to rule. Remember, consent pleas are to be given only where there are no larger issues of integrity, ethics, etc. And in this case, the jury is still very much out on that. I couldn't agree more with Mr. Gupta on almost everything that he said. SEBI will have to tread very, very carefully, as will the ICICI board.
Okay, hold your thoughts there, because I just want to get Sandeep Parikh back into this discussion. And Sandeep, can consent plea be used as a mechanism to settle quid pro allegations against a CEO? I mean, we are given to understand that's the larger ground under which consent plea has been filed, but can it be used to settle the quid pro allegations?
Yeah, which is why I said, you know, based on the press release we've seen, it seems that the current show cause notice is simply a disclosure violation. It does not get into the specifics and details and the merits of the case, really. So, again, without more information, it's hard to say, but my guess is that this show cause notice will not end the entire procedure, entire process against the company. So let's see, you know, where this goes. But my guess is SEBI might be kind of looking at additional allegations.
If it's only a disclosure violation, then there's only so much that the market regulator can do. So what could be the potential scope of SEBI's inquiry in this particular case?
See, again, I would say that you have to look into the timeline. SEBI show cause was issued prior to the bank's board ordering an inquiry and investigation by an external independent expert.
And that, of course, was the debate on the India development debate last night. ICICI Bank, the consent plea, and of course, what would be the ramifications and the legal complications in relation to the same.